Influencers, you already know about it, right? But what if I tell you after AI revolution coming to picture, the world of influencer also evolved. And now we have AI influencers, something like this.
हाय बच्चों, मैं हूँ आई AI वाली नहीं, डबल A वाली और माई कंटेंट कैफे के चीफ केयरिंग ऑफिसर.
Something like this.
फ्री में मिडजर्नी को यूज करना है. हाँ, अब उसके पैसे लगते हैं. तो इस AI मॉडल के बारे में सुनो. ये बिल्कुल मिडजर्नी जैसे हाई क्वालिटी आर्टवर्क बना सकता है.
Well, you can also create AI influencers like this for your business or personal brand. If you opt in for this now, two straight away benefit you will get is number one, you will be AI friendly business in the eyes of your potential customers. Number two, it will also differentiate you from other businesses in your field. And you can pull out many benefits out of it. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you how exactly you can create AI influencer like these with this 4 simple to use AI tools. First thing you need to do is come to Midjourney and create your AI influencer. Now, in case you don't know, you need to have Discord for operating Midjourney. So I have made one channel for this. Now we will create our digital AI influencer. So I will give prompt something like futuristic man with formals, 8K hyper realistic artificial intelligence. I'm just putting out few random keywords so it can like take something out of it. Fine, we got it, I think. Yeah, let's wait for the result, guys. So by the way, we are using version 5.1, so hoping for the best results. All right, so we are getting something. Yup, we got it. For just reference, we will take the third one, U3, done. In case you don't know, U is upscale and V is version. So we upscaled the third version. Okay, let's download it. Open in browser, and we got it. So we have our AI influencer ready in just the form of image. Now we need to make our AI influencer speak. For that, we need to create script, and for script, we are taking help of ChatGPT. I'm using 3.5 version. By the way, it's available for everyone out there. So let's dig in. Write a short 50-word script for our AI influencer. Who can talk in any language. And is representing my content. A sleek modern AI influencer. Hello world, I am your AI influencer from my content cafe. Equipped with the power to speak any language, let's explore the exciting realm of content creation and engage with diverse communities together. This ChatGPT incorporated content creation and engage with diverse communities together. I don't know from where. I think it read about my content cafe company and give further information. It's cool. Let's move ahead with this. Okay. So fine. Now we have image of our AI influencer and this script for our AI influencer. Now we take this script to text to voice software or app or platform where we will create voice for our AI influencer. So I'm taking help of 11 Labs. It is free of cost, but I'm using premium version because we also have AI influencer in our company. So I use this tool for that. Now one cool thing about this tool is if you go to Voice Lab, you will get option of actually creating or cloning any voice you want. For example, if you want to clone some celebrity's voice, it not exactly create as it is voice, but it is very similar. And if you want your AI influencer speak like you or in your voice and tone, this is the tool for you. But now I'm taking help of their pre-existing voices. So to speed up the process, I am just arranging the script a little so the AI will understand how exactly to speak. Fine. All right. So we have it. I'm taking Arnold. Let's see how it speaks. They also have 2 versions of it, so you can use whatever you want as per your preference. I'll just hit generate and it will generate the voice for you. It's generating.
Hello, I am your AI influencer from my content cafe, equipped with the power to speak any language. Let's explore the exciting realm of content creation and engage with diverse communities together. Join me on this journey of global connection.
How was it? Okay. So now we have script, audio, and AI influencer image. Now take this all to the tool called DID Studio. Now in this, we will attach all this together and make AI influencer speak. It's a simple login process, guys. I'm just logging in right away. So yeah, I have only 3 credit left. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm using their free version, obviously. That's why. So by the way, you can also use like you can also take a script and directly post it here if you want to, but I have cloned the voice for my AI influencer. So I just wanted to show you that you can also clone voices, right? So I have downloaded it. Yep. Let's go to this tool and pull the audio. Upload this 11 laps, 15 seconds, and upload the image of our AI influencer. And boom, I uploaded the audio, I uploaded the image of our AI influencer, and I will hit the generate, and that's it. I'm just hitting generate and it will generate the whole thing for you. Let's wait for the result, guys. I don't know why we people say guys. Let's say folks. Folks is nice. Random gyan. Okay, I'm waiting. Let's see the final output. I'll make your AI influencer speak for you.
World. I am your AI influencer from my content cafe, equipped with the power to speak any language. Let's explore the exciting realm of content creation and engage with diverse communities together. Join me on this journey of global connection.
Yep. All right, guys, we got it. And that's how you can create AI influencer for your business. This is the right time to use tech like this for your business and grow 3-fold, 4-fold, whatever fold you want. I will highly recommend all businesses out there at least give it a shot. Try different AI tools for you. And I hope you like this video. If yes, do subscribe to my channel. I really need to monetize. I need freaking money, guys. All right, guys. So that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If yes, then you know what to do, and I will see you next time.